Hi guys, welcome back to Creatify Studio Corporate A2 Web Template Tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to actually change the sliders of your homepage. So if you realize we have quite numbers of sliders, types of sliders. We have tablet sliders, small 3D sliders, small jQuery sliders, as well as full width jQuery sliders. What we're seeing right here. So for information, all of these sliders, the ways of modifying it or the weight changes works basically the same. So let's getting started. Just head back to your dashboard. Go to the page where you use as your home page. So in our case, we use J full width jQuery sliders. So just hit edit, and what you see here is a page that hold your home page, okay, which is this page to be exact. So what you have to do is so this is the image that you really see right over here. So I'll be removing it so that I can show you how to actually do it. So removing it all, and so it's pretty simple to actually put up your new sliders. Okay, first thing that you have to do is to choose whether you want the image to auto rotate. If yes, you put in yes, then it will rotate by itself, like the flipping effect that you're seeing. Okay, duration of each image that gets to display. So just simply hit whatever duration that you want to show, the how long each image should be shown. And image slideshow, this is a place where you choose the types of sliders. So basically we'll be using full screen features 3D, which is the full with jQuery that we were seeing just now. So what you have to do now is to upload the image that you're going to use or to display on your sliders. So hit select file and look for the file that you would like to upload into your sliders. And please remember that the image file size will have to be 940 pixels times 350 pixels to be exact. So make sure that the file that you're uploading is exactly the same size of what was showing here. So simply hit open and waiting it to upload, and what you have to do now is to click on this full size image, and of course you can change the title, into any title that you would like to have. Say for example slider 1 is not necessary, but it's good to actually put something so that you'll be able to remember. Okay, and if you like the image to link to somewhere else in the site, just simply put it here, or if you just don't any link, just delete it. As simple as that. Make sure you check full size, okay, and just use the image as feature image. That's it. What you have shown here is the box that will be showing here. If you would like to see some simple box, just simply key in like sample, anything that you would like to show your visitor about this image. Sample and sample, which is as an example. Okay, and here you'll be able to choose different sort of transitions. Say for example we want the image to flip 180 degrees or 90 degrees. Okay, the slice and element that, like, just basically there's quite numbers of features that you can actually play around with. Just simply go into there. Oops, my phone. So just simply go into here and just press it. Just choose play around with it and just hit OK. Update it. And once update, what you'll be seeing here is a change in your image. Okay, so you can see your image actually change. Okay, but this is the sample that we just pulled in. Okay, and the transition type. But because we just put it in one image, is why it's only going to show us one image. So let's go back to the backend and put it more. What you have to do is just simply click a add button, and hey, you'll be able to put it more image into your site. So prepare for your image right here. So just click open, upload it, and simply insert into post when it finish. Okay, and uses feature image. Okay, same thing. If you leave this place blank, so same will happen to the image, which there will be no box like this right there. Okay, so just go and hit save, update, and go back to your site, refresh it, and you notice that there now will be two different images sliding on your homepage. Pretty much depend on what sort of yeah, there's it. So say for example, like I feel like I don't want this type of transition, I just wanted something else, just maybe small feature 3D with text. Okay, so what you have to do is to simply key in your text, static text, for example, welcome to Malaysia. Okay, and just simply key in whatever words that you would like to put onto there. Okay, and just put in button text if you want to have button more about Malaysia. Okay, and apply a link to your button. For example, I would like to link it to a page, so I just like page, maybe a blog, or just maybe page 4. Okay, so after that, what you have to do is just hit update and go back to your site, refresh it, and the change will take almost immediately. Let's wait a little while for it to load. It's kind of slow right here. Okay, so here it goes. So you can see that the sites actually change into something else. The image change, okay, the whole layout change, and yep, that's pretty much how it works. Depending on your preference, you can actually change your website into basically any sort of design using or creatively designed jQuery sliders. Okay, thank you for watching.